Best way.
Mr. President, I and you, I'm talking to you now, Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu. I and you, we occupy Lagos,
Yes.
occupy Nigeria. We follow the protest together. Now you don't climb because you dey chop, you know they talk again. You are observing table manners. They say person where they chop, you know they talk. We understand all of una. Presumed innocent. Where they claim activists. Now una don't enter there. You una know they talk again. You are saying show record you criminal. Not be me and you carry Jonathan Coffin for Lagos. Una no see him. Is there any name we no call Jonathan? Jonathan get us arrested. No. This particular issue, then judiciary. I don't know what they do for that National Industrial Court. Because even that we have a functional judiciary, we shouldn't be talking about this thing. We file an action there, you dismiss it on a technicality. We cannot continue like this, just like what you said. Everybody should, all hands must be on deck. You see what happened in Abuja yesterday? A journalist, you said that you call Nigerian police did not come. When they come, they said they don't have fuel.
Are they lying?
And the young lady lost her life yesterday. So when we are talking about this thing now, Nigerian police, we know, yes, we know that they have their own challenges. This 20 naira, one night they collect, they make people not take them serious again.
Yes.
But we must fight for them. This one you are saying that they should not go for election. One of them told me when they went for Ondo last governor election, the person, their Oga, chopped their allowances. I have to call the man. I collected the man number. I called him and say, Oga, what happened? He said no, that he's waiting for them to come back. Where they pay them. They don't come back for the past 2 days. You don't repay them. We cannot continue because these people cannot even talk.